Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Calls. I'm here to do an unboxing of the MagicMount Pro Charge 5 from Scosche. So this just came in. We saw these at CES, and so we're here. So the idea is that you can sit on your car. It's going to have basically MagSafe if you've got an iPhone, or if you don't have an iPhone, you have to get some of these little magnet mounts, kind of like I have on the back of my iPhone there. So let's take a look. Because for some reason MagSafe doesn't seem to work through the case I have. So let me just pause this. Okay, I had to go and cut the box a little bit here, just get this tape off it so you don't see me struggling with it. Or as I still struggle with it. Open up. Let's see what we got. Okay, so it's going to have a little special proprietary plug, which is unfortunate that I was thinking they wouldn't do that. Because I'd like to be able to use this on my desk. It'd be kind of nice to have on my desk even. I do this with the other MagicMount at home, where I just have it just sitting there. So it'd be nice if this had that. But it's got the car plug, so there. It even has a USB-C adapter. Cool. But proprietary, that's a pain in the butt. So this here swivels, and then you can just tighten that up as you need. And then that's MagSafe. Not too bad. You can see how that, let's take that out of the case. Let's see. So without the case, maybe I don't have MagSafe on this iPhone, but it's not going to hold. So you're going to want to get that to hold it in place there. Now, I did notice that that thingy on my Pixel will stop it from charging, but maybe it won't with this one. We'll have to find out. Okay, so for 60 bucks American, this is an option for everybody. I'll have a review on the website soon. Thanks.